Chapter 1, Mrs. Dodds turns into a fury and Percy kills her.
Mrs. Dodds, what are you doing?
Where is it?
In Chapter 4, Percy fights the Minotaur.
Percy, go! Leave without me! No, I won't leave without you.
Percy, kill the Minotaur while it's after me!
In Chapter 5, Percy awakens in Camp Half-Blood, safe and sound.
Where am I?
You're safe.
Where is safe?
Camp Half-Blood.
Mr. Bruner, is that you?
Yes, Percy, it's me, but call me Turin.
In Chapter 9, Percy gets his quest.
Zeus's master bolt has been stolen. Percy, you are Poseidon's son, and Zeus is blaming you for the theft.
But I didn't do anything. Zeus is crazy.
You have a quest, and that quest is found in the oracle.
In Chapter 9, Percy invites Annabeth to go with him on the quest.
Thanks, Percy, for inviting me to go on the quest with you.
No problem.
In Chapter 10, they encounter the three Furies.
Percy, I think I see the three Furies.
The three what?
The three Furies. Take my invisibility hat and run!
In Chapter 11, they run into Medusa.
Oh man, I'm so hungry right now.
Maybe this statue place has a snack bar.
Then let's go.
Ugh, this place gives me the creeps. My name is Auntie Em. Would you like something to eat?
Yes?
But before you eat, can I take a picture?
Where's your camera?
I have other ways.
Watch out! She's Medusa!
In Chapter 15, they meet with Ares and are given a small quest.
Oh man, we've been walking for so long. I'm hungry.
Let's hope this place doesn't have any monsters this year.
Hey, you kids, do you need help?
No.
I'm Ares, god of war, and I have some important news I'll give you if you can retrieve my shield from the abandoned amusement park.
It's a deal.
In Chapter 15, Ares lies to the three kids.
I retrieved your shield, Ares. Now give me your news.
Okay, thanks, kid. Hades stole the lightning bolt. He wants Zeus to blame Poseidon to start a war. Pretty simple, actually.
In Chapter 18, they get to the underworld.
We finally made it to the underworld.
I'm hungry.
We have to make it to Hades before the summer solstice or Zeus will kill me.
In Chapter 19, Percy meets with Hades.
Hades, we know you stole all the bolts.
No, I didn't. You did.
No, I didn't.
Yes, my helm of darkness is missing too.
Don't worry, Uncle. I will return your helm.
In Chapter 20, they find out that Ares lied.
I just realized that Ares tricked us. He wanted the gods to fight so that he would be entertained.
No doubt. He is the god of war.
Yeah, you should listen to Annabeth. He's the god of war, of course.
Yeah, you should listen to the goat boy more often.
Yeah, you should listen to me more often, but I'm a satyr. I'm hungry.
In Chapter 20, Percy fights Ares, the god of war. In Chapter 21, Percy gets in the elevator to Mount Olympus.
Can you take me to floor 600, please?
Excuse me? What floor?
600. Can you take me there?
Yes, but keep it a secret. Don't let anyone else in the elevator.
In Chapter 21, Percy talks to Zeus, returning the Master Bolt and the Helm of Darkness.
Why are you here, nephew?
I'm here to return the Master Bolt and the Helm of Darkness.
Thank you. And in return, I have a present for you.
Thank you.
Be gone.
Goodbye.
In chapter 21, Percy reunites with his mother.
Welcome home, honey. What did you decide?
I decided to stay at Camp Half-Blood.
That's a great decision, because I can't protect you anymore.
And I have something to get rid of Snowy Eve with.
Yay!
Did someone say lunchtime? I'm hungry.
In chapter 22, Luke poisons Percy and gets away.
So Luke, you're going to the mortal world?
Yeah, I mean, there's no point in staying here. I never get a quest anyway. But first, I have this.
Wait, what?
See ya. You'll be dead any second now. Bye.
The end.
I'm hungry.
Please buy this great book. Grover is hungry and he needs the funds from this book to buy his food. You can find this book at pretty much any store. Thank you.
Now for the
Bloopers.
Can you take me to scene...
Sorry.
Dad! Can you take me to scene...
Sorry.
Can you take me to Slur 600?
Down.
You have a quest, and that quest is shoot.
What?
Scene 7, Medusa's head.
Take me to scene 14, please.
Take me to